So today I want to do a video from here. This is the general bomb blast area. And let me just turn. You can see here is where we have my avenue and Haile Selassie junction. You can see we have the obelisk. Is it called obelisk? So I want to do a video from here all the way to archives and see the beauty of Nairobi. So let's go. Remember, this is Africa Sidewalk and Travels. If you see this, kindly remember to subscribe. Let's go. Can see. The pedestrian are very well done, and today is 14th. 14th December 2025. It's on a Sunday afternoon. Time now is approximately 1:30. 13:30 East Africa time. You can see the pedestrians. Very nice Matatu graffiti there. Very beautiful. And so generally, as you can see, the pedestrians walkway in Nairobi have been very well done. The resting places very good. And as I always say, when you come across this video, remember to subscribe, watch, share, comment, like, and please indicate where you are watching from. You can see we have a lot of street photographers around this area. And yeah. Very beautiful, very nice. So Nairobi, especially the public spaces, have been very well done of late, very well manicured, very well organized, and we have to give it up to Nairobi City County government led by Sakaja, led by Governor Sakaja. It has really tried in beautifying public spaces. As I've indicated, today being on a Sunday 14th December 2025. So please, and this is Africa Sidewalk, and as I always say, I try to bring you unedited videos of Nairobi. I normally don't do a lot of editing. Actually, I upload them as raw as I've recorded them in most cases. And as I had said, this is a handheld phone camera recording, so if you find it a bit shaky, please bear with me. Handheld. generally beautiful. You can see the Victorian street lamps that have been installed. Very nice, very nice. So as you can see, I am approaching Ambassador area. Ambassador is just near Archives, opposite Kencom. Sundays is always a busy day for street photographers. Always a busy day for street photographers. So this is the General Ambassador stage. I am approaching Archives. And there are things that you have to consider when doing street vlogs using your phone. Mambo. Number one is the safety of your phone. Nairobi, everyone is a suspect. So please, if you happen to find this, please support by subscribing. So now, this is Archives area. So I had this video at Haile Selassie Avenue Junction, and now approaching Archives area. Yes, there you go. And this is Archives. This is Archives area. You see, you have Kenya National Archives. Yeah. Sun King advertising there. Playing in the background. I hope it will fly. And yeah, so what is it? You have the Tomboa monument there. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to Africa Site Walk and Travels. And let's meet in another video. Thank you so much. Africa Site Walk and Travels from Nairobi, Kenya.